Testing session. This is unlike our Derek AM session. Backtesting. This is Asia session, so it's gonna be a more of like um learn with me because I don't really backtest Asia session, but based on current market condition, Asia usually you know does have better delivery because for the entirety of the week, like last week of June till right now, 1st of July. We have crappy in your game sessions, like price action. It's gonna be price action that's being presented like past 11 or 10:30. So, and for me, I had some success on Asia session, but I want to back test it. So I'm pretty much just gonna be back testing 8 a.m. open till 9, 8 to 9 only. So let's get this. So right now we're on June 1. We're not gonna take screenshot of it. It's just gonna be I'm gonna try to trade it as like how I would trade NQ. But this case we are on um I mean like near AM, but this time we're trading Asia session. So we're currently in a 4 hour gap as well as on a 4 hour volume imbalance. Currently this hourly. I want to see this volume imbalance get filled though. When we get that filled, we also have this 15 minute. So usually I get a lot of volatility around, when almost 8. Actually, there was a pre-market trade here, technically, but let's see. All right, boom, boom, boom. This one is usually have tighter stops. That's like what I've observed at Asia. We can just keep going lower here on this one. Is this I want to see those? Okay. We open another hourly. I want this to get manipulated, so I'll have more conviction that it will go lower. Can we get that? No, we just jump. I missed the move. Yeah. Probably gonna see me like this, like miss a lot of moves, because obviously your AM is gonna be a lot different. And this one probably some people would have taken this stuff already. Okay, we have a 5 minute sweep. I'm willing to take this continuation. Okay, let's try this out because I'm pretty bearish. We're currently in a 4 hour, but actually we already inversed the 4 hour. So we're currently in an hourly right now, but we're just displacing through it. And why am I taking this trade? We delivered from this 5 minute gap, also a 3 minute, and I'm entering off of this CASD, okay, of the CASD. And actually, I'm gonna be using this wick because it's as long as wick as my stop loss indicator, and I'm gonna be targeting usually right now, definitely targeting really high time frame lows. Could be this even. Which we definitely can, but I think it's pushing it. So we'll limit here on this ASD, stop above that CE, and let's start first with there's no clear targets, bro. Yeah, there's no clear targets. Why not just aim for the moons and stars? I mean, it could happen though. Why not? Let's try, right? So since this is an Asia session trade, I'm not gonna be risking too much. Like maybe maybe not that low though. More like 50%. I mean point five R. Right, that's about it. Slightly above CE. Oh, I put a long order. Okay. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna do this as limit. My bad. We're gonna limit here. So this is a learning process for the both of us. Sell limit, yeah, that's right. Stop loss here and TP here. But We'll see depending on where price is going, because there's no clear, even 5 minutes. This looks like LR. Yeah, so let's see this. Okay. I don't know when to go break even. I think this is valid to go break even now. Yeah, it's valid to go break even here. Break even here. Right now, this is just a trade that I'm holding. I think, yeah, I'm definitely aiming for the moon to start. I think 1 to 3 is really good. Oh, we edged the 1 to 3. Let's go for 1 to 3 only. I think I'm pushing it. So I'm aiming for that. Oh, there you go. Perfect. This is my first trade on Asia session on this backtesting. It's definitely a lot different from your KM. This is one that's really holding it. 'Cause there's really no clear TP, but there's clear order flow that want to go lower. So, pretty much I just went aim for 1 to 3 on this. Again, what did I entered out of this 5 minute uh retrace? Then I just limit ordered on the CASD, which pretty much got me filled on this candle, and I just put my stuff above the CE of the wick, which we actually held this RB and pushed us lower. And yeah, I just went on break even after this dip because I do believe we're gonna be retracing a bit, and I was right on that, and it's still quite a good direction. So 1 to 3, or so I'm just gonna be consistently risking, what you call this, probably yeah, $250 in my next few trades. So that's gonna be my first trade there, June 1. So 1W so far. Let's move on to the next session. It's gonna be longer sessions because this one right here, I haven't mastered the session yet. I just know how to trade, but not that particular session because sessions have their own strength and such. Oh, this is all-time highs. This particular time we're at all-time highs, so definitely what we're doing is lost. Like rejection of that 4 hour, what a rejection of that 15 minute. Insane. So okay, what is a good play? What good place is long here? Mm-hmm. Okay. I definitely want to take longs. Mm-hmm. So let's see how we react out of this 15-minute IFBG. Our draw is this by all-time high, definitely. We're not gonna make 15 minute quite yet. We have this 5 minute, actually about to inverse. Let's see how this 5 minute closes. Okay. 5 minutes, actually, this is a shortable place, but at all-time highs, I don't think it's that good, but seems like this will work. Not like this. But it's a trade I would do in a New York AM session, not on Asia. Oh, that almost printed. That one almost printed. Anyways, I think it's an SMC on this low. It wasn't, but it's a really promising one. Yeah, it's a really promising place to long for some reason. Ooh, I mean, if I long here, that's a really nice B place, which is just so early. I mean, I want to use this OTE as well in the making. Fib, okay, let's use Fib. But this is the set, let's just change the settings first, because this one is gonna be all over the place. I only need this, only that. I don't need that. I don't want background, use one color. White. I don't want none of that. Then it's gonna want to make this yellow. Oh, why didn't make it white? I cannot see that if I make it white. Okay. Something like this color, then I'll make this yellow. It's like golden. It's like a golden place. Because if we're gonna do this, it has. This is what I see on Asian traders. They usually use OTE, and we haven't reached OTE yet. It's not the best looking so far. You have a 5 minute inversion to the downside. Uh, see how this goes. 3 minute looks pretty clean, but that already mitigated the 5 minute. I'm leaning short, so let's see if we can get this short here. Okay, okay. Took the 5 minute now. Still holding. Okay, 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 okay. So we're gonna short towards like this low right here. So why am I taking this trade? This is a 5 minute BPR. Want to see the high snapper inversion to get inverse here. There you go. Inverse the 2 minute. Okay, I can short here now. I'll short here, guys. So why am I taking this short? um, we tap onto this 15 minute high. Um, actually, we are holding this hourly so good. That's why I'm not aiming for the most star. So I'm just looking for the OT of the leg. We got this 5 minute BPR sweep. Deep break even is gonna be on this low. And why did it enter? We got there was a 3 minute. Okay, let's wait for this 3 minute first. Okay, the 3 minute rejected. Never mind. The 3 minute rejected like that, and it's not as clear now, but it's really validating my long bias. It's an all-time high. Uh-huh. I don't know. It's really unclear. Hourly says to go longs. 3 minute showing us that, it's holding and wanted longs off of it. Yeah, longs for the play. I was right on the longs. Should have executed on it. Like right here, stops at the low. Are targeting 1 to 3. Okay, stop at B. So I don't want to be waiting for really, really long time. Because I know usually macro hits at 8, right? Uh, 8 for Asia session. So yeah, this one's an no trade day. It was like there was like a short and then suddenly it looks like goes long. Okay. So I'm just gonna play the day. So let's move on Wednesday. So it's gonna be it for the next episode. Peace.